Another day, another learning. Learning is a lifelong process that can help us grow and evolve as individuals. However, the process of learning can be time-consuming, and many of us often struggle to find the time and energy to devote to learning. In this video, we will explore various techniques and strategies that can help you learn quickly and effectively in a step-by-step manner. Step 1. Identify your learning style. The first step in learning quickly is to identify your learning style. There are three main learning styles: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. Visual learners prefer to learn through pictures, diagrams, and videos. Auditory learners prefer to learn through listening to lectures, discussions, and audio recordings. Kinesthetic learners prefer to learn through hands-on activities, movement, and physical involvement. Knowing your learning style will help you choose the most effective learning methods that suit your individual learning preferences. Step 2. Set learning goals. The second step in learning quickly is to set specific and achievable learning goals. Start by identifying what you want to learn and why. This will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the learning process. Break your learning goals down into smaller, more manageable tasks to make them more achievable. Step 3. Create a learning plan. The third step in learning quickly is to create a learning plan. A learning plan will help you stay organized and on track throughout the learning process. Determine what resources you will need to achieve your learning goals, such as books, online courses, or study materials. Allocate time for learning each day, and make a schedule to ensure you stay on track. Step 4. Use active learning techniques. The fourth step in learning quickly is to use active learning techniques. Active learning involves engaging in the learning process rather than simply observing it. Some active learning techniques include summarizing. Summarize what you have learned in your own words. Practice what you have learned through exercises and drills. Teach what you have learned to someone else. This will help reinforce your knowledge and identify areas that need further clarification. Step 5. Take breaks. The fifth step in learning quickly is to take breaks. Studies have shown that taking regular breaks can help improve productivity and focus. Taking a break can also help you avoid burnout and fatigue, which can impede learning. Step 6. Use mnemonics. The sixth step in learning quickly is to use mnemonics. Mnemonics are memory aids that help you remember information. Mnemonics can take various forms, such as acronyms, rhymes, or associations. Step 7. Use technology to aid learning. The seventh step in learning quickly is to use technology to aid learning. Technology can be a valuable tool for learning, providing access to information, interactive learning activities, and communication with other learners. Some ways to use technology to aid learning include online courses. Take online courses to gain new skills and knowledge. Educational apps. Use educational apps to reinforce learning on the go. Social media. Join online learning communities and forums to connect with other learners and share knowledge. Step 8. Get feedback. The eighth step in learning quickly is to get feedback. Feedback is essential for learning as it helps you identify areas that need improvement and areas where you are excelling. Seek feedback from teachers, peers, or mentors to help you improve your learning outcomes. Step 9. Review and revise. The ninth step in learning quickly is to review and revise what you have learned. Regular revision can help reinforce learning and improve retention. Create revision notes, flashcards, or mind maps to help you review what you have learned. Step 10. Stay motivated. The final step in learning quickly is to stay motivated. Learning can be challenging, and it's easy to lose motivation along the way. To stay motivated, try the following. Find your inspiration. Identify what inspires you and use it to motivate yourself to learn. It could be a personal goal, a passion for a subject, or the desire to improve your career prospects. Celebrate progress. Celebrate your progress and achievements along the way. Recognizing your accomplishments can boost your confidence and motivate you to keep going. Stay accountable. Share your learning goals with someone you trust, such as a friend or mentor, and hold yourself accountable for achieving them. Conclusion. Learning quickly and effectively requires effort, dedication, and a strategic approach. By identifying your learning style, setting specific learning goals, creating a learning plan, using active learning techniques, taking breaks, using mnemonics, leveraging technology, seeking feedback, revising regularly, and staying motivated, you can enhance your learning outcomes and achieve your learning goals. Remember, learning is a continuous process, and with practice, you can improve your learning skills and continue to grow as an individual. Thanks for watching.